On the 23rd of May 2023, General Secretary of the Hinyotrap Youth Council HYC, Roy Kupar Sunrem, had spoken to media persons on the deficit budget of the state government and the constitution of various committees and councils, of which are non-performing and are reasons to the wastage of public money. Sunrem, who disagreed to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma's claim of ensuring that by the year 2027 to 2028, Meghalaya would become a $10 billion economy, urged upon him to look into the matter and review certain recommendations that the organization will submit to the government, failing which the HYC will take legal action towards misappropriation of public funds.
So we have seen the new government was formed under the leadership of Shri Conrad K. Sangma, and the government was led by the NPP. In the last budget session which was held, we have seen the statement made by the Honorable Chief Minister of the state, in which he has stated that the government of Meghalaya is intending to make our state into a $10 billion economy. Kadai ban le da kanu kam ka ba de ban siwe ki kat kum ka performance ka chokli lada ki contribute sha ya ka sarkar da ba ki ai ga jimut ki ba ki belong ki ba sarkar kala ban sim na ta ban pha la ne ban pen toy upai ba bari ka jala baro ko wai ngim don jing khang ba pensionai te committee le ni commission ni so thu ba ki don ki committee ki don kam ki don ki commission ki don kam ngim de bang ni persha lo ki baro khat la fi akre ne ka law commission ni don kam ne law commission ka don ka jala lalu pihak keren ni ke state planning board ngidan kami ke state planning board pekedon ke jala denging im soya hab bakin penserwakai pat ya ki bakum kini ki council lane pithung ya ki bakum kini ki chairman ki co-chairman ki bama ban syong wat tang sisi the meeting lane ban ai tang iweru jing ajing board ke sorka tingi nakalian no seng gin sa tho ya ka da ka jing tho bat ngin bu iki mat jing daw ha khmat jong kon ra sama ba ke sorka balada ke sorka kam shim ya ka jing ki kli ban penben ya ki bakum kini ki jing bakla ngim ban se ban so thau pa de ki wi gila ke lenti wa ban let ban tiet ya ka jing khang do ai ko ru namar ba kani ka de ka public interest bat ngi so thur ba kani ka jing pensarwa ka ya ka pisa jong ba tikini ka de ka bangi kwa ban bu akhmat jong phi na bu ki pai ba kin tim ba kini ki sansnem ki bal adap ka don ka jing pensarwa ka ya ka pisa jong pai ba ngi ngin kwa bakini ki sansnem ki pansawan ru kinde ki ju hi na mangilai I bau April kila thong arkuingot ki political appointees mantang singi kila thong ringot bat nangni sakmat ngim tep kila banang thong shu ru ngim kwa bakani ka trend kan nang continue la ne kan nang beteng